In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring invoice in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard where you can access your company settings and transaction tools. Make sure you're in the correct company file before continuing, especially if you manage more than one business. Next, go to the gear icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click it, and from the menu, select Recurring Transactions. This is the area in QuickBooks Online where you can create templates for transactions that need to repeat automatically, which can save a lot of time if you bill customers on a regular schedule. Once you're on the Recurring Transactions page, click New to create a new recurring transaction template. QuickBooks will then ask what type of transaction you want to create. Choose Invoice, since that's the form you want QuickBooks to generate automatically. After that, select Scheduled as the recurring type. This tells QuickBooks that the invoice should be created automatically based on a set schedule, instead of being saved only as a reminder or an unscheduled template. Now enter a template name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize so you can quickly identify it later. A simple, descriptive name works best, especially if you plan to create multiple recurring invoices. From there, set the schedule for the invoice. You'll choose the start date, the frequency, and the interval. This determines when the invoice begins and how often it will repeat. Take a moment here to confirm the timing is correct, since this is what controls the automation. Next, select the customer who will receive the recurring invoice. Be sure the correct customer profile is chosen so the invoice goes to the right person or business. Then add the products or services, along with the quantities and rates. This is where you build the invoice itself, so review each line carefully to make sure the pricing and details are accurate before saving. Once everything is entered, review the rest of the invoice details. Verify the terms, due date, and any other information included on the invoice. This is an important final check to make sure the template is set up exactly the way you want. When you're ready, click Save Template. QuickBooks will now keep this recurring invoice on file and use it according to the schedule you selected. From this point on, QuickBooks will automatically generate and send invoices based on that schedule, helping you streamline your billing process and stay consistent with customer invoicing. Thanks for watching.